should probably dress up.
Yeah, you probably should have. That's okay.
I should have.
Hi guys, you will see our decision making as young pilots in this video. We made the right decisions in my opinion, but this upcoming Thursday we will hopefully have a treat for you as we continue with our initial plan.
It doesn't say.
All it says is we're here.
We are here. Love that. We're out here doing a future pilot forum, and apparently Michael has gotten us lost. So we're at DIA, and we're gonna go ahead and check this out and see what MSU has to offer. So we're on level 6 of the Westin at DIA, and we are told to go to level 2, so we'll figure it out. So long story short, they sent us to the same level, and now we're looking for the forum. Because Michael has convinced me it started at 1, but the board says it starts at 5:30, so... Oh, I'm so vlogging this. I'm so vlogging this sweet moment, thinking today was tomorrow, and now we came all the way out to DIA, and guess what? The forum's not even today, and I work tomorrow, so Michael's gonna be taking pictures for us. Apparently we get Dippin' Dots for lunch.
I already had lunch.
We're going back to Centennial Airport, and we're just gonna do a flight really quick because we have nothing else better to do today, because I thought I was gonna be doing this forum, so I didn't schedule for a shift. So we're leaving DIA, and we thought to ourselves, we're just gonna fly to Mount Rushmore. So we're gonna get our stuff, get our headsets, get changed, head out to Centennial, and book it out. So basically what's happening right now is we had gone out to DIA, oh my goodness. And so basically the forum is not until tomorrow. Unfortunately, I work tomorrow, so I won't have any pictures or video footage of that forum. Long story short, Michael and I turned to each other and we decided that we're gonna go to Mount Rushmore. So that is the plan for the rest of the day. It is 2:25. We're gonna try and leave and get out of here at 3 o'clock. It's about a 30-minute drive to Centennial. So we're gonna try and have a takeoff time of about 3:15. We're gonna try and get there around 6:30 or 7. So wish us luck on the timing, and Mount Rushmore doesn't close until 11 p.m. tonight. So we're gonna be there for a good maybe 3.5 hours, and then we'll go ahead and leave Mount Rushmore, get out of Rapid City Airport, and then we are gonna fly all the way back to Centennial. Probably around 2 in the morning is when we'll be back. So that is the plan for today. Very random, very excited, and we'll see what today has to bring.
So, as you can see, there's no way we're going to Mount Rushmore.
Well, basically, what's behind me is a big cell, and it sucks. So we're gonna go south, because in Colorado, the weather changes at every angle of the camera, which is great. We were planning on going to South Dakota because it was random and it sounded really fun. We were gonna go to Mount Rushmore, fly into Rapid City. Unfortunately, there's a cell around Cheyenne, Wyoming, which looks really, really bad. So, and it's moving northeast really, really fast, which was right along our flight path. So we have our friend Joseph. Say hi, Joseph.
Hi, how are you?
We have our friend Joseph, and he has been reluctant enough to take us home to Canyon City, and we are gonna go ahead and fly south of this cell instead of following it northeast.
Call for fuel.
Do you want me to call someone for fuel? Is that what you just said? Okay, then I'll call for fuel.
Alright guys, we are headed out to Canyon, and as you can see there is desolate nothingness. Coming up on the right are some mountains, so hopefully we will get into some mountain flying as time comes. As you can see, there is a GoPro in 3, 2, 1, there it is. That footage will be uploaded in next week. And big shout out to Joseph for helping us be spontaneous and letting us enjoy his home.
Don't scare the hell out of everybody.
I don't
Nothing can scare me, trust me. Ew. Say hi.
Hi.
There's a difference between ashy and dusty.
Do you know how to throw shells?
This is dusty. Do I know how to throw shells? No, I'm terrible at throwing shells. Look at
hard.
these. Oh, it's gross. Ooh. I'm not wearing foundation, guys. It's just dust. It's my skin tone, though.
You got one. There we go.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I would love to give Joseph a great big shout out for joining us in our spontaneous day. Even with the weather changing so fast, we would like to still pursue a trip to Mount Rushmore. Flying into Rapid City, hopefully this upcoming Thursday. We've already booked a plane out for that whole entire day, so stick around and see what happens. And remember, we will go above to go beyond the views on the ground. Go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe, and hopefully our GoPro footage will be up next week.